Welcome to the Liberty 5 training video series. This training is going to be on paying out an individual person, individual payout. First thing we need to do for this training is access the client's account who we're going to pay. So let's go ahead and hit the account list button. And that's going to open up our account list. Here we're going to see all our accounts in Liberty, and we're going to open up the first account on the list. Once we double click on the account, we'll be inside the account and we'll be able to see all their information on the left. We can see their inventory over on the right. And when we go further on the right, we'll actually be able to see a summary, and we can see this person has total payable of $117. Let's go ahead and look at the transaction tab and see what this payout consists of. There's 3 transactions here. 2 of them were trade. Those are store credit. You can see the total owed and the total payable is different. Those 2 last transactions for $25 each, $50 total, will not be on a payout. In the payouts tab, we can see there has never been a payout for this person before, and this is going to be the first payout that we'll be doing for this person. So once we're in the payout tab, we can click the Pay Client button. Once we click the Pay Client button, the Prepare Payout dialog box opens. First thing we could do is choose the payment account. We could do check or cash. We're going to do check. We're going to pay the person through today. So all transactions and all items are going to be paid through today. We're going to leave the processing date alone. We're not going to do a payout fee or a minimum. So I'm going to head and click OK, and that's going to bring us to the post payout window. Here we can see the exact payout amount. If there was a payout fee, we'd see it there, and then the total owed. Here we can see our payment account, which is check. And this is where we're going to put in our check number. Looking at my checkbook, I got my number here and I'm putting it in. If I was going to handwrite the check, I would check this checkbox right here and just post the payment to the account and not print it. But for this case, we're going to print it. We could select our printer if it's not already selected. And we could select our check type, which in this case is going to be QuickBooks, which is a check followed by 2 stubs on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper that we stick in a regular document printer. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. When we click OK, this is going to send the check to the printer, and the printer should start printing. We should not click OK on this dialog unless we have the check in hand and we know the check is good. Because once we click OK here, it's going to post the payout to the client account, as you can see. Now that payout has hit the client account, we can see it's payout number 1247. It's for one item. It's for $117, and you can see our total payable is now 0 because this account has been paid. If we go back to the transaction tab, I always like to click the Show Open Transactions button, and you can see the transaction that's been paid is no longer here. The only 2 transactions that remain can be used in the point of sale. And that concludes our training for today. We did an individual payout. I hope this made sense for you, and I hope you enjoyed and learned something today. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.